In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new publication on Substack. If you're starting a new newsletter, spinning off a topic, or separating your writing projects, Substack makes it easy to add another publication under the same account. I'll walk you through the exact path and highlight what to expect so you can set things up with confidence. Begin on your Substack dashboard while signed in. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture or the circle with your initials. That opens your user menu. On mobile, the same menu may be tucked behind a small avatar or menu icon, but the idea is the same. Open your account menu so you can get to your settings. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the hub where you manage account preferences and control how each of your publications behaves. You don't have to worry about affecting your existing publication here. You're just navigating to the place where you can create a new one alongside it. Inside Settings, find the option labeled Create Another Publication and click it. This won't replace your current publication. Instead, it creates a separate home with its own name, branding, subscribers, and settings. It's perfect if you want it to keep different themes or audiences distinct without juggling multiple logins. Now, simply follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new publication and choose a web address. Pick something clear and memorable. The URL is how people will find you, so aim for simplicity. You can also add a short description that explains what readers will get, which helps set expectations for newcomers. Next, you'll have options to customize the look and feel. Upload a logo or icon that still looks sharp at small sizes, select a color accent, and choose the tone that matches your brand. You may see prompts to choose categories, set your default post format, or outline what you'll publish, such as newsletters, podcasts, or notes. You can decide whether to keep everything free for now or enable paid subscriptions. If you're unsure, start free. You can always introduce paid options later. You may also be asked if you want to import subscribers. Only bring over readers who expect this new content. Keeping lists separate can prevent confusion. Before finishing, preview the setup and confirm. Substack will create the new publication and drop you into its dashboard. From there, you can start a draft, adjust settings, or customize the design further. To switch between publications anytime, open your profile menu and choose the one you want. That's the full flow. Profile, settings, create another publication, then follow the guided steps. You're ready to launch.